Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I am back today with another video. If it includes shopping, I'm here for it. So I did lots of shopping and I went to tons of different stores and mainly shopping for my office because I am almost done with it. It's one of the rooms that I'm really trying to just complete because that's actually where I want to start filming, and I'm trying to just finish it and make it look super cute. And I finally got a sofa in there. We have it all set up and it's our first pop of color that we have added to the house, aside from the shades of gray and white and black. And I can't wait to show you guys which color we decided to go with. And I also purchased a bookcase at Target, so I'm trying to fill that up. And yeah, that's what most of these items are. So let's go ahead and get started with this. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and obviously subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. We are gonna go ahead and start with my Marshalls bag here. I have two bags from Marshalls. So this is for my office, it's for my desk. This is marble and I'm gonna put like pencils and stuff in here. This is gonna go on my desk. I thought this was super cute and it cost $7.99. So there's that. I also got two of these. You know, it's like that game. What is it called? Jacks. I think it's called Jacks. I think I should have picked up 3 of them to make it a complete set, or is it 2? I don't know. I thought it was 2, so I went ahead and went with 2 of them. They were $6.99 each, and I love that they were black. I saw some chrome ones, but they were a lot bigger. All right, so another item from Marshalls is this right here. It's this pot of succulents, and I don't believe this is real marble. I think that this is actually painted on there because I just noticed that it's scratched right here, but it does have a marble print. I thought this was super cute. It's $7.99 and this is pretty big actually, so I was impressed with that. So that's gonna probably go on my bookcase. And then I just got these because they were so freaking pretty. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them yet, but they are candles. I have to show you this print that's on them. Oh, they smell like roses. Oh wow, that's like a really strong scent of rose. But anyway, it has roses all over it. Look, I'm sorry if you, there you go. Look at that. So I got 2 of those. So pretty. I wish they were a lot bigger, but that'll do for now. I'm not like the biggest fan of the rose scent. It's growing on me, but sometimes it could be really strong. These candles were $5.99 each. Next is from Ross. I didn't get a lot of stuff at Ross. So this is one item I got from Ross, and this was $7.99. So there's that. I just purchased an ottoman and I'm waiting for that to get here. This will probably go on my ottoman. I'm probably gonna make a tray for it or buy a tray for it, and I am imagining that I want this to be sitting on that. Next from Ross is this lamp. It's so beautiful. Look at this. It's like so pretty. I just loved it, and I love the chrome finish, and it was only $34.99, you guys. I couldn't be more happier. This is gonna go in my office. I know it's super glam for an office, but oh well, that's just what it is. Next from Ross, I got this frame right here. It kind of looks silver, but then it almost looks like it has a champagne hue to it. But this is gonna actually go in my bathroom. I think this is gonna go in my bathroom. I've purchased like 10 things for my bathroom and returned every single item because it just didn't go with the look that I was going for. So I'm hoping that this is a winner. That's from Ross, and that was $17.99. Next up is from Target. These actually just came in the mail. I just ordered them online because they didn't have them in store. And I bought 4 of them. And they're the 13 by 13 storage bins. So these are gonna go in the TV stand that we have in there. Well, it's a bookcase that we turned into a TV stand. And I bought 4 of them. I loved them. I thought it looked super pretty. I thought it kind of looks like a snake skin print, but it's not. And I thought it would go well with like the marble look that I'm going for. So yeah, I like these. And then these are like super sturdy. I think these were on sale for like $8 each. So the next couple items I'm gonna actually have to show you standing up because they are too heavy for. Look at this tree, you guys. So I seen a similar one on Z Gallery for $350. And this one's a little bit shorter than that one, but it's the same concept. And I got it for, boom, $69.99. So pretty, so dreamy. If there was 2 of them, I would have picked both of them up, but I only found 1. Next, I got this area rug for my office. And this one kind of has this idea of a print on it. However, the colors don't look anything like that on the area rug, but there's that. And I'm sorry, the area rug cost $44.99. All right, you guys, so that's it for my haul. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm almost at 500 subscribers and I'm so excited about that. And thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.